For decades, the hunting knife was simple, a sharp piece of steel on a handle. But in 2026, that era is over. The old rules have been rewritten by new materials, new geometries, and a new understanding of what a blade in the field can truly do. Today, we're not looking at the same old skinners. We're examining 7 knives that have fundamentally changed the game. These aren't incremental updates, they're paradigm shifts, each solving a historic problem for hunters in a way that didn't exist just a few seasons ago. Forget what you know. This is the new edge.
Number 7. Spyderco WaterWay Salt. Kicking off our list of revolutionaries is a blade that confronts 2 of the wilderness's most persistent adversaries, corrosion and the fading edge. The Spyderco WaterWay Salt isn't merely another stainless option, it represents a fundamental leap in material science. Forged from LC200N steel, a high-nitrogen, super corrosion-resistant alloy, this knife is essentially immortal in the face of moisture. You can field dress an elk in a downpour, rinse the blade in a saltwater estuary, and toss it into your damp pack without a second thought. It will not pit, stain, or rust. Ever. But the innovation extends beyond mere rust resistance. LC200N is engineered to maintain a fiercely aggressive, toothy working edge far longer than traditional stainless steels. This means you can process an entire large animal, from initial incision to final quartering, without once reaching for a sharpening stone, a game-changing advantage when your hands are full and the temperature is dropping. The design supports this rugged capability. The distinct leaf-shaped blade offers a continuous curve perfect for long, controlled slicing motions through hide and muscle, while the signature oversized spider hole ensures rapid, positive deployment even with thick gloves or numb fingers. This is the definitive tool for the coastal duck hunter, the Pacific Northwest elk guide, or any hunter who operates in perpetually wet environments. It eliminates maintenance anxiety and redefines reliability, allowing you to focus entirely on the hunt, not on coddling your gear.
Number 6. Casström Lars Fält. Our next game changer shifts the paradigm entirely, asserting that a hunter's most vital relationship isn't just with game, but with the forest itself. The Casström Lars Fält is not a skinning knife in the traditional sense. It is a full, flat Scandinavian grind bushcraft instrument, adopted by enlightened hunters. This grind, a single steep bevel that runs from the spine to a razor-thin edge, creates a geometry that is nothing short of a laser for wood. It excels at the tasks that underpin survival and comfort. It splits kindling with shocking efficiency, produces feather sticks for fire starting with artistic precision, and can carve trap components or shelter stakes with controlled ease. Yet, crafted from high-performance Swedish stainless steel, it retains a fine enough edge for delicate caping work around antlers and precise incision. This duality forces a more mindful, efficient approach to game processing. Instead of hacking through bone or struggling with connective tissue, the hunter is encouraged to use woodcraft techniques, leveraging joints and using the spine for controlled pressure, leading to cleaner breaks and less meat damage. The Lars Fält is for the purist who views hunting as a holistic wilderness discipline. It's for the hunter who understands that success is not just measured by the harvest, but by the ability to thrive in the environment, making it a revolutionary tool for self-reliance. Number 5. Protek TR3 Hunter. This entry revolutionizes a critical, often overlooked metric in the field: time to cut under duress. The Protek TR3 Hunter is a purpose-built, California-legal automatic knife featuring a dedicated drop-point hunting blade profile. Its transformative feature is the button-fired, spring-assisted deployment. Envision the scenario. Your hands are slick with blood, rain, or sweat, clenched with cold, and you need a cutting tool immediately to perform a rapid bleed-out, sever a tangled safety line, or address a pressing emergency. With the TR3, a single press of the thumb plunger fires the blade from its handle to a rock-solid lock in a fraction of a second with absolute one-handed authority. There is no fumbling for thumb studs, no awkward wrist flicking of a flipper tab. This isn't a gimmick, it's a profound ergonomic and safety advantage when dexterity is compromised. Beyond its lightning deployment, it's built to the renowned Protek standard, with robust construction that can handle the torque of breaking joints and the abrasion of field dressing. This knife legitimizes tactical speed as an ethical hunting consideration, proving that in moments where swift, humane action is paramount, the fastest tool is often the most responsible one. Number 4. Bradford Guardian 3 in Vanax steel. This knife shatters the deeply entrenched myth that capability in the field is proportional to size and weight. The Bradford Guardian 3 is a compact, precision-forged fixed blade with a stunning total weight of under 3 ounces. Its true genius, however, is concealed within its slender profile, the use of Vanax super clean steel. This is a cutting-edge alloy that achieves a seemingly impossible trifecta. It rivals high-carbon steels in toughness and edge retention, while offering near-absolute immunity to corrosion, surpassing even H1 and LC200N in stainlessness. For the backcountry hunter, the mountain pursuer of sheep or goat, this is a revelation. Every ounce saved in your pack is energy preserved for the ascent. You can carry the Guardian 3 as a discreet neck knife or a minimalist pack clip, where it becomes an extension of your body, unfelt until needed. Yet, when called upon, its full flat grind and acute edge geometry allow it to zip through hide, glide around bone, and sever sinew with an efficiency that puts heavier, clumsier blades to shame. It is the ultimate argument for intelligent design over brute force, a titan of performance in a featherweight frame. Number 3. ESEE PR4. This knife changes the game by rejecting the concept of a one-size-fits-all tool, introducing true modularity to the hunting fixed blade. The ESEE PR4 is not merely a knife, it is a hard-use platform. Its foundation is a no-nonsense, full-tang blade of 1095 carbon steel, celebrated for its legendary toughness, ease of field sharpening, and reliable performance. The revolution lies in its adaptive architecture. The handle scales are attached via a single, robust fastener, allowing you to swap them in seconds without tools, switch from aggressively textured G10 for a secure grip in wet, bloody conditions to contoured micarta for warmth and comfort during cold weather sits. Furthermore, it seamlessly integrates into ESEE's extensive ecosystem of MOLLE-compatible sheath systems. You can configure a single sheath to hold not just the knife, but also a ferro rod, a diamond sharpener, a GPS unit, or spare batteries, creating a mission-specific kit. This means your setup for a quick whitetail drive in the hardwoods can be lean and fast, while your kit for a week-long elk pack trip in the Rockies can be comprehensive and self-sufficient. The PR4 is the first hunting knife designed with the same modular, mission-adaptive philosophy as a modern sporting rifle or a technical backpack. Number 2. Tops Knives Hazen Legion 6.0. This contender changes the game by asking a radical question. What if your hunting knife was also your ultimate survival guarantee? The Tops Hazen Legion 6.0 is an American-made monument to overbuild capability. It is engineered for the hunter who ventures beyond the trailhead, for whom a hunt is an expedition into self-reliance. Its substantial spine is thick enough to baton through wrist-sized timber for fire or shelter, while the sharpening choil ensures the entire edge can be maintained with ease. The handle, with its deeply textured, almost topographic grip, ensures an unshakable hold in the worst conditions, with freezing rain, blood, or mud-slicked hands. This knife blurs and ultimately erases the line between a dedicated game processor and a primary survival tool. It's built for the scenario where your hunt goes sideways, where you might need to dig, pry, hammer, process wood for a signal fire or an emergency shelter, and then, with the same tool, cleanly and respectfully break down your harvest. The Hazen Legion doesn't offer finesse, it offers indomitable certainty. It proves that in the deepest wilderness, the most precise tool is often the one with unstoppable, multifaceted capability. Number 1. Reeve Knives Nyala. Our supreme game changer elevates the hunter's craft to an art form, focusing on the final, most sacred act of the hunt, the preservation of the trophy and the honor of the meat. The Reeve Knives Nyala is a fixed blade of peerless sophistication, crafted from CPM Magna Cut. This steel is a metallurgical marvel, arguably the most balanced and advanced cutlery steel ever created. It achieves an unprecedented harmony of wear resistance, toughness, and stainless performance. It will hold a surgical, hair-popping edge through the entire arduous process of skinning, caping, and butchering, yet remains remarkably easy to restore. The blade itself is a masterpiece of ergonomic design, a sleek drop point with a pronounced belly and a refined tip, engineered for flawless control during delicate hide work around the eyes, lips, and ears. The fit and finish are flawless, with seamless transitions and perfect symmetry. This knife is not about brute force or wilderness survival. It is about absolute precision, respect, and artistry. It represents the pinnacle where material science converges with the hunter's skilled hand, ensuring that the final results, both the mount on the wall and the meat in the freezer, are perfect. The Nyala changed the game by making the absolute pinnacle of cutting performance and refined craftsmanship not just aspirational, but accessible for the hunter who demands nothing less than perfection.